Introduction to trial balance. What is trial balance actually? First we prepare journal, then we prepare ledger, and then from the closing balances of the ledger we prepare trial balance. Okay, trial balance, what is it? Trial balance is a statement, very important point. Trial balance, it is a statement. It is not an account. Not an account. It is a statement prepared. See, one side of the trial balance will have debit, other side will have credit, and the debit side and the credit side should match with each other. If they match to an extent, they show that there is some arithmetical accuracy present. Arithmetical accuracy. We can check the arithmetical accuracy with the help of trial balance. Okay. Preparing of trial balance is optional, but we should always prepare it because it is the base to prepare the financial statements. Base to prepare financial statements. For business, what are financial statements? The trading account, profit and loss account, the P&L account, and the balance sheet. Okay, these are the financial statements, and with the balances in the trial balance, I put them into these three and I have my financial statements ready. See, one more thing to note is trial balance is not a part of the double entry bookkeeping system. It is the result of double entry bookkeeping system. It only works on paper and to be prepared on any date. It can be prepared on any date. Not that my books are ending on 31st March, so I need to prepare a trial balance on 31st March. On any date I can prepare a trial balance, but generally I prepare it on the closure of the books. Okay, what are the rules? Now the important rules. 5 things I will have as my account. Assets. Assets, wherever you see the name of assets, just debit it. Liabilities, just credit them. Liabilities have a credit balance. Capital, just credit it. Revenue or income, what do you do with revenue or income? You credit it. If you receive commission, I say commission account, never debit. I say it cash account, debit to commission, I credit it. Okay, expense or loss account, or loss account, it has to be debited. If you know these, it is very easy to plot a trial balance. Assets and expenses are partners. Same rule applying for them. Now, one small note that closing stock, this will always be given to you to confuse you that where you have to put it in the trial balance. But remember that closing stock never forms part of trial balance. it is always written under the trial balance. While totaling, you don't take a note of closing stock. Now, why is it so? Because what is closing stock actually? It is purchase which is not sold. Purchase which is not sold. So, when I have already written purchase in the trial balance, do I need to write closing stock again? No, already it is there included in the purchase. So, once again, I will not write closing stock in my trial balance. Just remember this small point. This one error can disturb the total of your trial balance. So, let's start making a trial balance now.